Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is what a 45-year-old eats to keep a flat stomach. So I'm going to show you what I recently ate in a day, and I have some clips from my workout. This was an 11 a.m. fasted workout. I did pull-ups, push-ups, and jump squats, and I did 2 rounds, so a total of 6 sets, max reps. So I broke my fast this day at 1 p.m. with a huge bowl of Yumi watermelons. These are the dark watermelons, and these are super delicious, best watermelons I've ever had. So I've been going through these and really enjoying them. And there it is, nice, delicious, and hydrating. Next up at 2:30, I put together a smoothie. This had 2 dates. It had about a cup and a half of blueberries, about a tablespoon or 2 of natural peanut butter, 1 packet of acai, and 5 frozen ripe bananas. I freeze them with the peel and thaw them in hot water for about 4 minutes to get them out of the peel nice and easily. Also had 1 cup of coconut water and 1 cup of almond milk. Blended it up in the Vitamix, and it makes just a little bit over a liter. Delicious. Then at 7 p.m. I had dinner. I started with a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, carrots, craisins, and sunflower seeds. And I had 2 bowls of this pasta. It had pasta with marinara sauce and some different veggies like bell pepper, mushroom, and zucchini. And then I had a little bit of dark chocolate for dessert. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. I have some delicious recipes I make regularly. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.